we are going to demonstrate for the solder mate. Okay. First, we need to screw the adapter to the bottle.
Special bottle, yeah? You need
Yes,
the bottle.
yes.
Okay.
And make sure it's a tight and well tight. And then open the small cap. And then put the charger in the long cap.
Yep.
And then screw the adapter and the charger slowly. See? You can see the air inside the bottle. And then after 30 seconds, and then you can remove the charger. Yes.
Okay.
And then maybe after you can shake it, put the scap, shake it, make the flavor more or better. And then you can enjoy a drink with bubble.
Yeah.
Or you can make the wine become champagne.
Okay, got it,
Yeah. It's made by Asia Ads.
Okay, very good. But you only use once, huh?
Yes, once.
So every time you need to buy a new one.
Yes, it's a standard 8 gram. You can buy it from the market.
This one?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, sure, 100% sure, and it is food grade.
Yeah. How many you've sold already?
We are doing